Hello friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight's Summer in October Stay Cool Organic Salad. We have romaine lettuce, mint leaf, grapefruit, orange, and apple. On top, we're going to put half an orange, the other half, and a third of the grapefruit, because we use 2/3 of the grapefruit in the salad. So we'll just give this a good squeeze. Get a big spoon, get in there, get all the pulp out. We want everything. Everything. So what do we have here? Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. We have organic volatile digestive oils. We have chlorophyll. We have vitamin C and bioflavonoids. We have electrolytes, potassium and magnesium, and a whole host of others. We have organic spectral waters for hydrating. We have pectinoid fibers for clearing out and dissolving inflammatory compounds and obstructive blockages that get lodged in the little interstitial spaces in the system. On top, we're going to have a little bit of ground fennel seed, ground fenugreek seed, and a little bit of pink volcanic sea salt. Here we go. Let's give this a try. Let's see. Let's start with some apple. Are you ready? Be blessed. Nice. Going by hand. Orange. No fat in this salad. 0. Let's get some grapefruit now. I'll go for a little bite of everything. Everything in its own little corner. Some mint leaves. Yes, I'm putting my hands and fingers in this dish. They are washed. And I'm the only one eating the salad, so I can do that. If you're eating with other people, keep your fingers out of the dish. All right. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Have a salad. Love one another. Stay cool, stay warm. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay peaceful. We'll see you soon. Good health.